Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I will explain to you how you can add reminders to your signers to sign the agreement as well as an expiration date for your document. Beginning with uploading the document from your local device, you're going to select the freelance agreement for this example. Once it is fully uploaded, we're going to move to add the participants' information and then placing the fields that are required on the document. Say, for example, the signature as well as the name of the signer. And finally, once we reach the final step, which is to review and send the document, we're going to go down to the advanced settings at the bottom of the page. By clicking on it, a list of settings that you can fully customize for your document will show up. Going down, you can see the auto reminder settings right here, which means basically setting when will the first reminder to sign the document is going to be sent in by determining how many days it's going to be sent in from the initial sending of the document. Let's say the first reminder can be sent in 2 days, and then if a second reminder is needed, then you can make it in 4 days, for example. And finally, the third reminder can be sent after 6 days from sending the document initially. So as you can see here, the final reminder will be sent on the 4th of November. We can set an expiration date by checking on signature request expires on, and then from the calendar determine the date that the document is going to be expired on. The date should exceed the auto reminders, which means that it has to be after the third reminder. So in this case, let's say that the third reminder is going to be sent on the 4th of November. We can make the expiration date, let's say on the 10th of November, and click on apply, and now we have the expiration date set. After adding the auto reminders and the expiration settings, click on apply, and all of these settings will be applied to the document that will be sent to the signers.